What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. We got a tip for you tonight. Is your car misfiring and you're not really sure where it's coming from? Have you replaced the spark plugs, the wires, the coil, the normal stuff, and still have a misfire? Here's one thing you can do to check and see if you have a bad head gasket. So this isn't always going to work for every vehicle, of course, but you can grab your hose right here and see if it's got some pressure to it. If it's real flimsy after the vehicle's warmed up, be careful because it is hot. If it's real flimsy, like the radiator has no pressure, either you've probably got a radiator leak somewhere, possibly due to exhaust gases coming out of the head gasket making it leak, or your head gasket is leaking water into the exhaust, and that's why you can't gain any pressure right here. Watch my videos. Don't worry, stay tuned. If you need help, just let me